Hey everyone, welcome back to our IAS in YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tutorials. In today's video, we are covering an exciting and important topics that is REST parameters in TypeScript. Let's see what is a REST parameter in TypeScript. The REST parameters is going to accept zero or more arguments in the specified types. And the one function will having the rest of parameters means it must have only one parameters. Only one parameter should be there in the one functions. And it should accept array type. And that in case one functions we having that more than two arguments, in that we are going to include the rest parameters, means that rest parameter should be in the last parameter in the parameter list. And then variable name should be prefixed by triple top. So here you see this is a syntax for how to implement the REST parameter. Here you see in the function argument, okay, so we're having the name as an or variable name. Before that, we will be having this three dotted symbol. That indicates this is a REST parameter. Let's see how to implement the REST parameter in the in our tool. Okay, so for that, I'm just going to uh, open this TypeScript. Here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to have the function get info. Okay. As I already told that the rest parameters should be prefixed by how many dots? It should be prefixed by three dots. Okay. So here I'm just going to have the three dots. Okay. So here that should be followed by marks. Which data type? It is number data type. That is a digit, right? Okay. So integers, that is 0 to 9. Here I'm having some variables int total marks. Okay, so this is a variable. Oh, sorry. Java. Okay, so total marks, which is going to be a number data type, which is going to be a number data type. Here it should be lit. Lit marks, total marks equal to initialize. I'm just initializing 0. Okay, now we are going to read all the values which is there in the marks variable. Okay, so for that I'm just going to use for method, for of method. Okay, so for I'm having one variables which is going to accept the values which is having in the marks variable. So m of marks. Okay, so for the each iterations it will be going to take the values which is present on the marks, will be given to the m. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add those values into this total marks variable. Okay, total marks equal to total marks plus m. Got it? Okay, done. Okay, so now I'm just going to return the value. Okay, so for m marks, okay, so it should be the array, right? Okay, done. Okay, so now I'm going to return the values in number. Okay, and finally it need to add all the values, then it is need to return the values, right? Return total marks. Done. Okay, so now we are going to call this method in the console.log. Here I'm going to call this particular method. Here I'm going to pass one value 90. Okay, so here I'm going to call once again with the list of some values. 90, 92, 93, and 94. Okay. And again console.log 95, come on 96, come on 97, come on 98. Okay, done. Okay, so now you see we finished. Okay, so let's explain what I written on here. Here I am creating a function, that is a function name is get function. It accept how many arguments? It is going to accept 0 or more arguments. Okay, so this variable is now became, not, it is not a normal variable, it is a rest parameter. Okay, so it is going to accept 0 or more argument. For that we are going to give 3 dots. Okay, so which data type it is going to store? It is going to store the number, okay, digits. Okay, so as already mentioned on the PPT, it should be a array. Okay, so that we are going to create an array initialize, and this method is going to return number digits. Okay, so that I'm mentioning numbers on here. Okay, so inside this I'm just declaring one variables, that is a total number, total marks. It is going to be type of number, data type, and initialize to this 0. Okay, now I need to retrieve all the values which is present on this numbers array, right? Okay, so sorry, marks array. Okay, so that I'm going to use for of. Okay, so here the marks is holding the values, right? For each iteration it is going to give one values to the m. Okay, so then inside this it is going to add the values with the total marks plus m. So for the first call, we are going to pass only the 90. So 90 will be assigned to the marks. Okay, so then marks will be going to pass the 90 to the m. Okay, total marks is initialized to 0. So total marks 0 plus m. Okay, so that is m is 90, right? Okay, so it is going to hold the 90 only. So there is a no values as exit further, so that it is going to return 90 over here for the first call. Okay, so for the second call, it is going to pass first 90 to the marks. Sorry, it is going to pass the entire values to the marks. Okay, so marks is holding 90, 92, 93, 94. Okay, so it is going to hold the entire list of values. Okay, so it is going to pass the first value 90 to the m. Okay, total marks plus 90. Okay, total marks initialized to 0, 0 plus 90, so 90. Okay, so then after that it is going to increase the it is moved to the next item, next value, that is 92. So 90 plus 92, 182. Okay, so that is going to hold by the variable total marks. Likewise, it is going to pass all the next value 93, 94 to the m. Okay, so subsequently it is going to add all the values, and it is going to store it on the total marks variable. So this is the way how we are going to write the rest parameters. Okay, so now hope you understand this coding flow. Now I'm going to run this program. So before that, I'm just delete this JavaScript file. I'm going to run this code tsc demo.ts. Okay, done. Now I'm going to run demo node demo.js. Now you see we got the output. Okay, so I hope it is correct. Okay, so here you see we passed 90, 92, 182. Okay, so then 927, 275, and then 275 plus 94, it will be a 364. Okay, so I hope the answer is right. Okay, so hope you understand what is a rest parameter. In case if you like this video, please share this video with your friends. Please click the subscribe button and bell button. Thank you.